There might be different projects that you might want to export, and you may want to go around and add them out in queue so that you can export them out together. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto your project area. So I'm here in my editor, and you can see that export is an option right here. If I were to go around over here, then add to queue is an option, as you can see. So let's just go around and click on in and out area. Then what happens is that it's on a ready state, as you can see, and it has been added onto the queue. You can also go around and select out a preset right here on what you want to export out this particular project as. So I'm just going to select, let's say for example, YouTube 1080 SD right here. You can go to export right here and then add to queue and add in entire content as well, and you can see that that gets added onto the queue as well, ready for exporting one after another. You can go around over here onto composite shot, let's say for example right here, and export this out and add this to queue as well. And now you can see that 3 projects are in queue. So now what happens is that this is what you have, as you can see right here, and these are the queues right here. So now what you can do is you can go around over here and then click on start exporting, and what happens is that one by one each of these projects right here will start rendering right there, just like this. And you can go around and leave your computer on right here, and as you wait, all of the projects that you add onto the queue will be completed as it'll process. So you can see that the first video is processed right here, and just like that, the second video will be processed, and once that is done, the third video will be processed. And that is how you can utilize the export queue inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.